So if you land on this video, it's because you heard about this new Nowsite Nerds and you want to know what that's all about. And I'm going to let you know. Hey, let's go and get into it. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? My name's Kawan Money Mayo, successful online entrepreneur, six-figure earner, top affiliate, multiple companies, including the top affiliate in this company as well. And I'm going to dive right into a new service that Nowsite has added. So if you've been watching me, you've been following me, then you know that I'm a part of Nowsite, the top affiliate within the company, which is a all-in-one marketing platform powered by artificial intelligence. And you can use this business to promote your brand 100% to the fullest. Whether you're into marketing, whether you're a business owner, brick and mortar, whether you're a musician, a model, or aspiring artist. I mean, everybody around the gamut can use this service, which is great. And that's the reason why I love it, because I feel like it's a tool first and then a business opportunity second. You see what I'm saying? Because I look at this as like if you was a construction worker and you got paid to use a hammer and a drill. Like you would need a hammer and a drill anyways to build your home, right? So the being paid is just a bonus. Well, I look at this the same way for marketers and business owners and anybody trying to build a brand or keep an online presence. You're able to make unlimited websites, unlimited email autoresponders, social marketing, SMS. I mean, everything that you would need to fully market yourself. But with that being said, the more features that has been added throughout the time, with Nowsite, then the more or the less user friendly it can become, right? Even though for the average user, everything's still straightforward, everything's simple to use. For the non-techie user, it can still come across as a little complex. So here it is, introducing Nowsite Nerds. Okay, so what the nerd is, as you can see over here to the left, when you click on it, basically any one of these services over here that you see to the left, whether it's building your website, creating an email, whatever it is, right? Well, you can hire a nerd to help you with it. So let's say you're having problems building your first website. You just can't figure it out. You're having issues. You're trying to do something. You're trying to put a logo at the top, or you're trying to put your name. You can actually hire a nerd to do that. Or if you need to build out an email autoresponder, you can hire a nerd. So let's go show you what that actually looks like. So you come over here, you click on your nerds, and as you can see right here from the top, it says, hire a Nowsite nerd. Want to take your online marketing to the next level? Our team of super friendly nerds will meet you one-on-one over video conference and make your vision a reality. You don't have to be a nerd. That's our job. And the cool thing is this is live. Okay, this isn't an email correspondence going back and forth, which can be tiresome, and things get lost in translation. How many times did that happen? You send out an email, they don't answer it right. Now you got to wait and send out another one, and it just becomes a headache. With this, you're going to be able to book 30-minute sessions of real live people to help you, and that's actually specialized in that field. So, for instance, if you wanted to build out your website, then as you can see right here, we can book for 30-minute session, and see right there to get started quickly and easily with our team of friendly marketing specialists. Please confirm your purchase. You confirm it, and then just that simple, you're going to set up some time for a Nowsite nerd that's specialized in building websites to be able to go over that with you and bring out all your needs. Now, you can have them do whatever you want them to do within the system in that allotted time. Okay. Also, same thing. They have an email marketing nerd. Okay. So how cool would it be for one of them to help you with your autoresponder series? Okay. Maybe you want an autoresponder that's going to go out for the next 90 days, a couple of weeks. Well, they can help you with that. Same thing with the SMS. Okay. Let's say you want them to build out an SMS campaign for you so that you can start drip feeding your content to your team, or maybe you just don't know how to use it. And you just don't see the full features and full benefits of the features. So you just want somebody to walk you through all that, okay? And not just send you to a support video, okay? That's what that is. Same thing with your CRM and analytics. It can get complex when you're looking back there for the first time. And you might not have a clue on what you're looking at, or just not have a clue of just how robust it is and what it can actually do and accomplish. So again, we're using the CRM and analytics nerd. They can help you with that. Okay. This keeps you from coming in here and not doing nothing, or only using one of the features and not getting the most out of your subscription. Also, how many times did that happen? Okay. You can have an online nerd to help you with your online presence. Okay, a social media nerd to help you with your social media. Now, see, now we're diving into something much deeper than what we start off with, because you start off with the all-in-one marketing platform. You get that, you got that, and you got all the tools that came with that, right? You get that, you got that, but that has nothing to do with helping you with your social media presence. That has nothing to do with helping you with the content that you might be posting or how you're going to post. See what I'm saying? That has nothing to do with your online presence and someone helping you with that. So that's just an added bonus, right? And then for $20, come on, we don't spend $20 on a lot more in life and got back a lot less. Now, let's say you say, well, look, you know what? I need help with all the above. Like, but I don't want to spend 20, 40, 60, 80, 120. I mean, man, that can become much, right? $120 a month just to get this going? Okay, no, you don't have to. If you look over here to the right, we have Nowsite Marketing Pro. Now, what Marketing Pro is it's actually having that same nerd, okay? You see that nerd right there, but you have them each month. And instead of just 30 minutes, you got 60 minutes. So you get 2 sessions, 30 minutes a piece, right? Or you can use it all up at once. So that's your choice for sure. And this right here is to supercharge your online marketing, okay? And it's only $40 a month. So now for the price of 2 of these sessions, you can have, you can pretty much have a marketing specialist at your fingertips, okay, for a month. Also, on top of that, and that's each and every month, also on top of that, you're going to get 1,000 more SMS, okay, which is a $30 value because, international 200. So you get 1,000 more SMS, international 200, usually a $30 value. You're getting 10 more SMS keywords. So these are the keywords that someone can type and then automatically opt in to receive your text. You get 10 more of those keywords, and you get 15,000 more emails, okay, that you get to send out a month. Remember, you get 15,000 with your subscription already. So imagine getting 15,000 more, which means now you can send out 30,000 emails a month. And you might be saying, well, do I really need all that? Well, hey, when you start really marketing to a high level, yes, you're going to need that, because you're going to be using every bit of that, you know, because you might have, what if you have 1,000 people on your list? Well, 15 emails to eat that up, right? See what I'm saying? So, all huge, but what I love about this is the fact that this really helps that newbie, that person that's coming in for the first time, don't have a clue of how to build a website or email or any of that, or don't even want to. You might not have the desire. You might say, look, I just want to run my business. I don't want to be doing all this stuff. You know I need it. I know I need a website, but I don't want to create it. Just like, you need a car, but you're not going to sit there and put the car together yourself, and the motor and the carburetor and put the tubes and all that in order to drive it, right? No. And when you start having issues, unless this is one of your passions, you're going to send it to an expert, right? You're going to send it to someone that actually knows how to do that, loves doing that, and let them be the ones that fixes your car, correct? You're not going to be sitting there breaking out the tools. I know I'm not, So this marketing is kind of the same way. Yeah, some of you might even be able to do this already, but hey, isn't it a lot easier just to hire someone to do it, especially for $20? I know how to build websites myself, but for $20, I would definitely put my hands behind my head and let someone else take care of that for me. You know what I'm saying? So this is one of the new features that Nowsite is bringing to the table. Definitely wanted to share that with you, and get you going. So recap. Nowsite Nerds, now available, okay? Go in your back office, hit the Nerd Now, and you can be able to hire an expert for all your needs within this back of this platform. So no longer is there an excuse that you can use I'm not a techie person. Doesn't matter. It don't have to be. Let the nerds handle that for you. You sit back and relax and just reap all the benefits and rewards. So if you're ready to get started, then you already know, hit that link below, getmoneylikeaboss.com, and we will get you going. Or if you got questions and I got answers, call me 619-306-9453. I love to answer any questions you have. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe and the bell. That way you get notified when I do these type of videos and you don't miss out on some news that you can possibly use. All right. I appreciate you. Thank you for rocking with me today. Can't wait to see you on the next video. Until then, have a blessed day.